morning everyone. As you all know that because of COVID-19 we are conducting online classes. So this is your maths class and our topic is numbers. In your previous class you have learned about the numbers. As you know, 0 to 9 are one digit number, 10 to 99 are two digit numbers, 100 to 999 are three digit number because it contains three digits. 10 to 99 contains two digit and 0 to 1 contain one digit. So today we are going to know about the difference between place value and face value of these numbers, and also that what is place value and what is face value. Place value. The place value of a digit in a number depends upon its position in the place value chart. For example, 632. In 632, 6 placed at 100, 6 is at 100 place, 3 is at 10th place and 2 is at 1's place. In place value chart, we represent it like in a tabular form. H means hundreds, T means tens and O means ones. 632 means 6 at 100 place, 3 at 10th place and 2 at 1's place. 632. In another example, that is 496, 4 is at 10th place, 4 is at 100 place, 9 is at 10th place and 6 is at 1's place. 496. Other form is expanded form, in which we write this number is as 600 plus 30 plus 2, or 600s plus 3 tenths plus 2 ones. It is called expanded form. In second example, 496, 400 plus 90 plus 6, or we can write it as 400s plus 9 tenths plus 6 ones. This is called expanded form. First one is place value, second one is expanded form, and third is, you know about this, when we write numbers in words. First one is 632, we can write it as 632, and second 496. So this is called place value, expanded form and in words form. Now we have to learn about face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. I'm repeating. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. For example, if I ask you to tell me the face value of 6 in 632, you can say that 6 is the face value of 6 in 632. As I told you, the value of the digit itself. So in second, face value of 3 in 439, the face value of 3 is 3. So I hope you understood about the difference between the place value and the face value of the numbers. Now we have to learn about the comparing numbers. What are comparing numbers? When we compare two numbers, and when I ask you to show me the bigger number, how you can differentiate between that which number is bigger than other one? That is comparing number. There are three rules in comparing numbers. First rule is first compare the digit in the hundred place. The one with the larger digit in the hundred place is the larger number. For example, if I ask you to tell me the larger number between these two numbers, that is 496 or 374, you use according to rule 1, you have to see the first number which is at 100 place. You have to see 4 and 3, which one is bigger. 4 is bigger, so you can easily differentiate between the bigger and smaller number. 496 is bigger than 374 because 4 is bigger than 3 at 100 place. According to rule 2, if the digit in the 100 place are equal, we compare the digits in the tens place. For example, 439 or 474. 100 place in both the numbers is same, so we have to see at tens place. At tens place, the one number have 3 and the other one have 7. So we can say that 474 is bigger than 439 because at tens place, bigger number is 7. In rule number 3, if the digit in both the hundreds and tens place are equal, then compare the digits at ones place. For example, 496 or 494. In both the numbers, hundreds and tens place are same, but at ones place, the number at ones place is different. 6 and 4. So 6 is bigger than 4. We can say that 496 is bigger than 494. I hope you all understand about the comparing numbers, place value and face value. The worksheet related to this topic will be uploaded on Snap Homework. Thank you everyone.